Hello, I'm Erin Allen, Program Assistant with Purdue Extension Hamilton County. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the 4-H Health Project. This project is designed to assist 4-Hers with the understanding of healthy lifestyles and how to handle a variety of issues concerning their own health as well as the health of others. There are 3 divisions in the 4-H Health Project: beginners, intermediate, and advanced. Regardless of your division, you will need to complete 3 different activities, each from a different chapter in your 4-H Health Manual. Today, we will review what to do for cuts and scrapes and get you started on your own first aid kit. We will also look at some healthy snacking suggestions and how to stay hydrated. Let's get started. My friends Mackenzie and Adeline are going to go through the steps of how to treat minor cuts and scrapes.
If someone gets a cut or a scrape, the first thing you need to do is stop the bleeding by using gauze or a washcloth or whatever you have. Stop the bleeding by applying pressure. Next thing you need to do is wash your hands with soap and water for at least 30 seconds. After you wash your hands, get a clean cloth and gently wash off the cut or scrape to get out all the dirt. Next, get an antiseptic rinse such as peroxide.
Thank you, girls, for your demonstration of how to care for a cut or a scrape. Remember, first stop the bleeding. Next, wash your hands and clean all the dirt off the wound. Clean with an antiseptic rinse such as peroxide. Leave the cut or scrape open to heal. If you're going to be in a dirty area, you may want to cover it with some antibiotic ointment and a Band-Aid to protect it. As you begin to build your first aid kit at home, here are a few items to help you get started. Many of them we used here in our demonstration, and they will all prove to be items that your family will appreciate having on hand. And now we're going to take a look at some healthy snacking and staying hydrated. In each food group, there are a number of power foods. In other words, they have more nutrients for the number of calories that they contain.
These foods are nutrient-rich and power foods. Great choices to stay. Some of my favorites are craisins, nuts, and tomatoes, and oats. Chips and candy are sometimes food. They have very little nutritional value. For a healthy snack, I recommend a trail mix with oats, nuts, and either craisins or raisins or both. Mix them all together in a bowl and you're ready to snack. For a high protein snack, I would recommend an egg omelet with, of course, eggs, a cheese stick, zucchini, spinach, and tomatoes. You would just cut up all your vegetables in your cheese stick and then put them in the egg and then mix the egg.
Are you drinking enough water today? Are you staying hydrated when you exercise? Did you know your body is made up of 2/3 water? And that is why water is just as important as food when it comes to your health. So, how much water should we be drinking each day? That's not too hard to figure out. Take your weight in pounds and divide it in half to get the number of ounces of water you should be drinking. For example, if you weigh 150 pounds, divide that in half to get 75 ounces of water. That's the equivalent of 6 1/4 12-ounce glasses each day. Maybe you don't like to drink out of a glass. Maybe you're one that carries a water bottle everywhere you go. Fantastic. Take your water bottle, fill it up, and then pour it into a measuring cup to find out how much your water bottle holds. This particular water bottle holds 16 ounces of water. So now you can do the math to find out how many times you need to refill your water bottle each day to get your 75 ounces of water, or whatever half of your body weight may be. Refer to the project manuals in the 4-H handbook for specific project and exhibit requirements. Thank you for joining us for this 4-H Health Project workshop. Stay healthy and stay safe.